Hello, good morning, everyone. How you guys doing? I hope you are having a blessed day. Glory be to God. I'm here to talk to my two sisters, Monica and Lolo. How you guys doing? Saga everywhere. Why? What is happening? What is wrong? What is the matter? I love you both. I'm just here to give a piece of advice to you guys. Okay? Lord of Monica. Wa good morning, wa good afternoon. Ituwa kakabo. Bosunu na worry no for your tore na. Everyday talk. Why the talk? Why not remember the time you people were loving each other? What's what man ijere get waya kuna? Nana mi gwe kwezo wala. On la social media na. Nana mi gwe no masopo no gwa ye gwa ya fe. E yari mwe case wa be. One kind big case na gi gwa yi. What my wife what ma be ti be lu e ya settle matter na no roto na. Okay to get to this level na. What's no na? Iwa like ugwa eva be na like. Ezona Emma. Here we now in the secret. A secret on a table woo. All room. No sit down. Nelly Loma Lode. Because this one gonna each other secret arts na. Okay, as it be you. Understand? I'm not liking this at all. I'm not liking this. And nyobe ni abeta ba agugwa jebe na je na here might be a good yan oriwa akile go wala be akụ agugwa egbe osewa be akin here ma be gwa je na je na ni abeta bo do about you ware ni wa reflect back wa ke do atalo that with social media. And the other thing na mani ma opa eva no wa be viola dian by the matter na. Okay, as it be na my sisters, I'm not talking to a particular person here. I'm talking to Monica and Lolo. What is all this about, my beautiful sisters? This is not right. It's not good. You guys should remember the time you were once friends, good friend as a sister, a friend that you guys have built for more than 10 years. I don't know what happened, but in my own opinion, Monica and Lolo, you people step on so many toes in the past. Why not just go back to your drawing board and tell all of them sorry? Sorry will not take anything out of you. Sorry because you don't really know. Am I so raw? Uba we mikere. Ogwe ni awo man I know na de yin ya vie na. Iyan si o ve, iyan si o balo. Oga agwa leve emie, oga vie sage. People are bad, my dear. People are really bad. People are bad. Not people are bad. It's what you cause them that motivate them to go to the extreme end. Yahweh be rock no so ni an kanwa. Aro so waro yawe. Uga on salobua, umejere wesumero. Aro so esun yahin. Rude mekere nuata. Obuye ga iwo na ma. Obuye ga iwe. So, emosunuta wa evanana. Weka. Mayan were wrong in the past. Obian ready nana. So why go back? Yata me away sorry. And another thing, Oseva agui, my dear sister. People are looking up to you guys in social media. People love you guys in social media. You understand? Oseva agui de. Na do ya tagwe game now in the past. Agie wuyeko. O ma suppose no na. E no lo ro ga yi direct ya gwegwan. We no ro umeladian, we yin direct ya gwegwan. Sa. Any na me sa na my dear sister. And the other thing ya this fight is not for Edo and the Ishan. No. Aru evanya matana. That is two best friends. One's best friend. Lolo and Monica. So all the commenters or all the presenters, my dear, wa gia teme na we noje wa gia gboka niyan wa gia gbiyan no ka because opa ya hin e Monica we lolo o se ya eva hin o se gudede me de but ni na do mo egbe o da social media na do atemi ni ya o do atemi ni ya mawu. And the worst part now, a mania do have here by the matter. Dear Magale won name wa we are now. Why ye near the matter now? What we do why we will. When we were rubbish with social media now. But you guys have bring yourself hearts. Can we call on my support no one ye wuwa? Yes, one ye wuwane. O understand, so me what do advise one while I will. Or say wa evahin and do wa evahin we settle egbugba wa be the way wa be settle egbugba e matter ma we na eta or say no cool for 10 years. Lolo, you know Monica weak points, and Monica, you know Lolo weak points. What e mean wa ya settle e matter na o ma understand why get too many affairs, too many people do agunwayo. Or eventually we comment now, maybe Monica will like video. Mama right down, mama only that one never bath, mama that one never bath. Enya. Or side lolo no. Mama right down, that one never bath. Who it be? Why it be what was here? These people, these two people, there was once best friends. Iyan bawe mi. And I love them for that. People love you guys for that. If no sooner na, wala wowo, wa total you wane, wa relax, no wa think about it. And anybody know me a video egbe, don't take it to any presenters to present it for you. That is wrong. Okay? Wa jere kere bona kabeku, wa jere wada ku. Anyone have a secret. Everybody have his own secrets. A little when I lost it down. No more secret of man into public. No more ye public. And fool you publicly. Nobody will not get secrets. Everybody have his own secrets. But just pray that you should not have a bad friend that will bring your matter to the public. So, two of you, please. Wala wo wa mo question na for abotori. Ilaku wa eva no ogu babana. Di me agwe me gogoyi ero. Ema ya no why offend? Ema ya no step on their toes. You guys should go back and ask for forgiveness, and they will forgive you guys. Okay? This fight is not for Bini and Ishan. And this fight, two friends, you know, they have their husbands, and I know that their husbands are talking to them. They have their family. I know their family are talking to them, and the public are talking too. What I'm trying to say, why ikpe wogo je side okpa, why ikpe wogo je side no kei, wa ga even aga buya evana gwa. No question na for your story. The more video niya we am any other rubbish shoulder. Niya silenced that video because it doesn't worth it at all. O se ya evaga ahin. Egeni na awo say. E mo ro pa mare bani. They love themselves. I don't know what happened to them, but I pray that God will touch Monica and Lolo in this battle or in this fight, for them to realize that what is happening to them now is what both of them have caused. The pain and the tears that you have caused to people before, that is what is happening to you guys now. I don't even the forgiveness. They will say, oh no, my God, you have here. Here you were in name your Gualeve me or Gualisha gave me by. Here you were disgrace and shame will be their two portion. That is what is happening to you guys. If you do why be mukba, why be mukwe. Why not just stop the talking and go back to your platform that you insulted people in the past and tell them I'm sorry for whatever wrong I've done to you guys. Okay? I'm not yet to beat you, Monica. You are my sister and I like you. I'm not here to fight you, Lolo. You are my sister too. I like you. I like your program. You understand? Sometimes you entertain me. So I won't say now that Monica o ugbe o utalogbe o iye egbe abaloma egbe balome owe ya temi emi ya lugbe tani egbe balome lolowe ya temi ya no tani but ara alu enwa emi ya ete logo whatever in this matter whatever malu enwa. And in this matter, whatever marriage wayako for the 10 years. Ebony Buta we pretend that we're for the 10 years. No, 10 years is a long time for friendship. Am I pretend? Every no wasuno. People that were offended, obian ready na ya. Already anywhere, I'm a tag way. Or maga offend Oma, una go back and ask for forgiveness. The calamity near you or anything near say about you, maybe that yoke will be broken. I'm not sorry, Oma don't beg for forgiveness. No time away, sorry. So I'm challenging you, two of you, Monica and Lola, my sisters, go back and tell people, I am sorry. Don't select anybody. Just say anybody that I've offended, I am sorry. Okay? Please, the presenters that is going to talk in this matter, what I say, because all never, I mean, are you for away? Or never na making that way. No wrong like no even no see or you see me now. This is not ordinary. I on our here na. Our law Monica be lolo. Wa president ya na me muguwa. I talk about it. Mani anywhere we go when you going to present. We are we be what you man to be area o la dia with social media. Facebook is free. YouTube is free if you want to say whatever thing you want to say. Wagi to be am with case here la dan to be anti. Except the case where a case na wata no. But a case in your day or gas it be. When you to be am with person la dan to be anti because one another take the case. I beg face eh. I hear tie bonada tie bonoma. O wa buy no logo wa evana ete mu wa. Emere inyere or sie zagazaga na or sieri. So to my sisters, I love you both. May God bless you guys and may God not your offer you why no why italo. Anybody that have a video or egbe why send it to anybody not real ladian. Only you were once friends, good friends. I don't know what happened, but it is well. We ask for forgiveness, so Saba not forgive what. And I will bring it out again. This fight is not for Bini and the Ishan because we are all the same. So you callers that is calling or any presenter that is going to present this case, it's not for the Bini and for the Ishan. No, it's for two best friends, one's best friend. Okay, Monica and Lolo, I hope and I pray that this audio recording gets to you. Please use your sense. Those people that is clapping or those people that is saying right on, good one, because where you are going to face it alone. All those that is commenting, you don't even know them. You understand? They are going to be commenting. But they will comment right down. My mommy. Okay? Because you don't know people that is commenting. You don't know people that is calling you. You may even bad at this one that bring your name now. Monica that bring your name is still your best friend. or even the Lord that is trying to say many things about you now, is still the one that loves you. Who knows? Mayaka Gwina in the past, everybody have their dirty secrets somewhere, one way or the other. I will pray na me say no joma no je mama ya lo de. That is it. Love you guys. May God bless you, and I pray that God will give you a peaceful heart to just forget all this saga and this quarrel. Okay? May God bless you. And to everyone that is listening to this audio recording, may God bless you guys. Please, let's just say the facts. Let's say reality. Let's not join one and beat the other one, because both of them, they are our sister. Where they are wrong, let's tell them they are wrong. Okay? Where they are right, let's tell them they are right. Okay? Love you guys. God bless you. Till some other time. Okay? Have a beautiful day. Bye for now.